I'm going to show you how to take a quick screenshot from your computer. This is super helpful. It's how I do all of my how-to documents. I use it when I'm making things for students, and it's a quick and easy way to show an example of what you're working on if you're working within a Facebook group or emailing, etc. So on a PC, you are going to search for something called the Snipping Tool. If you're using a Mac, the same thing will work by holding down the Command Shift and 4 key together, and then it will automatically put your screenshot on your desktop, but this is a PC. So you are going to search for Snipping Tool in your programs. So just start typing in snipping, and it will come up. This box comes up. You have a couple of choices, but the basic way is to just click New. You see the screen goes a little gray, and then you drag and drop the portion of the screen you want to take a picture of. So if it's the whole slide, you drag and drop. When you let go, it shows you a picture. Now here, if you want to, you can mark up the picture, you can highlight some things, you can write on it, do whatever you want. But then you have two options. You can save the snip as a PNG or a JPEG, or if you are just using it right away, you can click the copy button and then you can paste that into whatever you're working on. A Facebook post, a Google slide, document, wherever you can paste a picture, you can paste this snip. And that's the quickest way to take a screenshot. I hope that's helpful. If it was, subscribe to my channel.